Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another room tour. Tonight we are staying at Copper Creek, which is the DVC portion, one of the DVC portions of the Wilderness Lodge. Now before we get into the tour, if this is your first time here, after the video be sure to go check out some of our other room tours plus other Disney content. Then if you're in the LSU or sports in general, we got some of that too. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, be sure to leave a like on the video, and let's check out the room. Now, right when you walk in, the first thing you see is your kitchenette area. But we're going to take a look at this closet first. Just your normal closet. You have your pillow and blanket, ironing board, hangers, your iron, your safe, which can fit a laptop, a tablet, that sort of thing. This right here is really cool. This is vertical storage. Now if you watched my Bay Lake, they had something like this as well. Then you just have other drawers and other cabinets. You have your microwave, nice sink, your coffee maker with coffee. This room has just tons of outlets in it. Your mini fridge. You have this big this big mirror. Huge. Now this is my first time seeing the bathroom. What's up? Very nice and large sink area. More storage space. One of these big, really zoomed in mirrors. Now this right here is your bathroom. This particular room comes with, like I said, it's the first time, so this particular room comes with a very nice walk-in shower, your Disney soap, and then what is this called? Rainfall, or I don't know, something. If you know what that is, drop it down in the comments. A very nice shower. Now one thing I want to show before we head into the actual room part. When we first walked in, I couldn't get any of the lights to work. And that's because this right here, if I get it to focus, is your master lighting. So as you can see, the entire room goes dark and none of the outlets work. Oh, and this is a large sliding door. It's a very nice piece of artwork. Bedside table. Like I said, this room has all kind of outlets. So regular outlet, USB jack, and I'm guessing this is so you can even run other cords down in there if you wanted to. Your bed. This is a I'm not good with beds. Is this a twin? Is this a double? I don't know. Matching bedside table. This one has the phone on it. Nice little light. Of course, comes on both sides. This little hanging beam thingy. Okay, if we turn around, this is your little table. Garbage. Another nice mirror. This is your TV. This is quite bigger than the other TVs we've had so far during this stay. I'm losing focus for some reason. All right, and we're back. Sorry about that. This little dresser drawer thing, actually, I really like it. A lot of different sizes. Of course, the clean remote. I guess it works through the bag, huh? Yep. Who doesn't love these channels that you can only get in Disney, huh? I know I find myself watching them on just like YouTube sometimes. I can't find the mute button on the TV, so let's just turn that off. This is to another room. This is your pull-out sofa. And then this thing is really cool. Check this out. Sit right here. It's a little hard to do with one hand. Let's see if I can sit it down like this. There we go. Works as like another little table slash storage space. I really like that. I think that's really cool. It's easier to close than it is to open. Now, one thing Disney kind of recently started to do is adding storage under the bed. As you can see, we have our suitcase under there. So that's a great idea. And then the balcony. As you saw at the beginning, we're located on the 6th floor. I'm not entirely sure how to... Maybe there is no balcony light. There we go. Really nice sized balcony. Can fit quite a few people. Surprised I'm not fogging up. There's one of the corners of the resort. And then you have this really nice view. And down there is the walkway to the buses. And then I believe this is Boulder Ridge right in front of us. Boulder Ridge. That's the Boulder Ridge pool. Haven't stayed at Boulder Ridge, but would like to. I know the front part of it, like the little entryway, is really, really nice. Sure, I'll lock it back. And I think that's about it. Let's get one more sweeping wide shot. So yeah, that's the room. Like I said, I really like it. I think it's really nice. It smells very new. These are, of course, renovated rooms from the Wilderness Lodge, but oh look, as I'm filming this, and yes, I am using this book, there's more outlets on both sides. But yeah, again, I really like this room. This is, of course, where we own our DVC membership at. So this is where we stay the majority of the time. I also have a 1-bedroom room tour on my channel, so go look out for that. Like I said at the beginning, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and tell your friends, tell your family, just share. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. For the last time, there are other room tours and things like that on the channel you can go check out. I really appreciate it if you do, and see you guys next time. Bye.